just did something I never recommend you do. And it worked flawlessly. You know, I'm kind of infamous for doing things that I tell you never ever do this. Like the other day I made a video about trading on my phone. It was here. Okay? And I said, don't ever trade on your phone. And one guy wrote in the comments, he's like, but bro, you tell us don't trade on the phone, but you're trading on your phone and making 71% and $2,000. I love the comments people leave. If you're watching YouTube, okay, they've moved all my links up here and it says show more. So what I try to do is usually pin them to the first comment. I didn't this time, okay, but you could see show more and you see all the different links, okay? But if you close this out, the comments are epic. Check this out. You make it so hard when you say don't do something, and then you always do it and win. Enjoy your vacation. Yeah, I was away. That's why I was trading on my phone. Okay, yeah, that's real. Okay, Oracle. Don't trade on your phone. Also, Oracle rips $2,000 plus profits. Man, I love when you guys leave me these comments. They're awesome. Let's move on. So let's break the rules again. I always tell you, never send money from one exchange to another. Always send it to your Exodus first. Well, I was trading on Bitunex, and since Bybit now changed things, it used to be only Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. I said, the hell with it. Let me throw the wallet in the garbage. Let me send some money from Bitunex to Bybit. And it worked. Look, I sent over $13,000 USDT. You should never, ever do this. Why? Okay, let me show you. Having an Exodus wallet in the middle gives you control. You can see the transaction history. You can click help, and Exodus will tell you what happened, rather than you going from one exchange to the other, begging, each one pointing fingers at the other. So always download an Exodus wallet, even to your phone, for free. But I threw all that out the window, like a pro skydiver. Without a chute, because I had a wingsuit. The bitches just didn't know. Red Bull, boom. So now, this is the Bybit exchange. It's linked under the video. This one I will pin to the first comment. But I'll show you. Okay, it used to be only Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. And they had a conversion feature where you can convert your Bitcoin to any of these. Ethereum, Cardano, or Bitcoin Cash. Right? What time is it? 7:30 a.m. It's not time for the pump yet. Anyway, we're prepared. Now, they got rid of the conversion feature. Honestly, I think it's a better idea because I don't know how legit that is to have a conversion feature. You know, there's a lot of regulations changing and things like that. So, I deposited USDT. Oh, what happened to my chart? Whenever that happens to you on any exchange, they're all in the same spot. There's an auto button. Click that. There you go. And if your candles look like this, you can't trade that. Any YouTuber you see with candles like this is not a trader. When they say, the weekly top, and they'll never show a trade. You can't trade that. Real traders, and everybody that's with me, is like in a she. And there are, they say there's so many different candles, right? So look, this is the minutia of technical analysis. And why nobody wants to do it. Just always remember one thing. I don't sell a course. But if you come down here and it says Oracle Learn to Trade, it pulls up this package where I'll teach you, okay, myself, in a Zoom call, and then let you join my group, and you stay in forever. When we do other Zooms and there's other people like-minded, there's no other way to get in. We're the ultra elite. So I'm looking here. I have so many tabs open. At all of these types of candles. Ridiculous. You want to go to school? What do you want to become, a neurosurgeon? Let me tell you how the candles work. There's big candles, like these. There's smaller candles, okay? Like that one. And then there's the weirdos, just like in life. We call them indecisives. Look, it's flat, and you don't know which way it's going. A green candle should have a wick that goes up. A red candle should have a wick that goes down. When you get a confused candle, it's like the Blair Witch Project. Could even be a Caitlyn. These are called indecisives. We ignore indecisives. I teach this as part of my consultation. So what do we really have here? What do we really have? We have a lot of people trying to sell you a lot of nonsense that don't work. Engulfing candles. So we have big candles and little candles. This is the BitMEX exchange. I don't even log into this. Ooh, it's not available in my region. Let me see where I am. I'm in Ireland. Okay, so the 6 hour has an indecisive candle. 1 hour. Remember, there are big candles and there are little candles. The bigger the candle, the stronger the move. It's the overnight dump. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move. Then I like the 3 minute, because this is Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay? If you want a long, I'd do from down here. They'll probably go over 68,000 today. I'll tell you what. Now, let's go over here. We want to trade Bitcoin. Imagine all the people who don't know this. Now, let's say, all right, I want to put in $2,000. Let me make it easy for you. $2,000. Come on, 000. And I want to put that at 100x. I'll buy up. There's my trade right there. The audible tone. So now I have no protection here. No cross leverage, nothing. My fee at 100x is 12%. You see it? I get liquidated at this cut loss number. So let's now protect this 2,000. Okay? If it dumps, I'm going to take $1,000. That's 50x. Let me just show you basic protection instead of being careful. This is how you protect it. You're going to go to limit order. You're going to take half your position, especially if you're 100x. You can do this at 50x on this exchange. I started at 100 because that's the way I am. So I'm going to put $1,000. This is dollars now. No more decimals on Fibit. It's easy to sign up. There's a link below. All right, let me sip my coffee. Stock market's having a crappy day. Let's go ahead and protect this little trade right here. Oh, and by the way, okay, I think you can adjust this. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can. Look at that. All right, now remember this auto feature. Okay, auto. It's going to dump now. All right. So let's go ahead and put protection in. Let's do 1x. This will cut my leverage in half if it comes within $10 of this cut loss price. If it hits that, you lose your 2,000. So very calmly, we're going to put in 67. If it goes to 426, oh, that's wrong. 67, 426, $10 above. We're going to buy up. So, here's the parameters of the equipment here. That scared you, didn't it? That's the 1 minute. Don't look at that. The 3 minute shows you the truth. Hit the auto button. See reality. There's no panic. And you know what you don't know? Is what we enter. We don't know what reading humanity. Many times around the stock market open, we have a pump. That's why I checked here. Stocks aren't doing too well today. So you get liquidated when you're down 75% on this Fibit exchange. It's linked right below the video. It's one of the earliest exchanges. Okay? Now, you won't get liquidated because you use proper wallet management. You didn't try to get rich on one trade. $2,000 times 100x, so $200,000 trade. All I can lose is my 2,000, not my entire wallet, like on the other exchanges when you use cross leverage. So, as long as you have ammo and firepower, as long as you have direction, you believe in direction, forget the minutia of the ups and downs. We could even do a drill down here. Let me show you something. When you open Fibit up, click off your 6 hour, your 1 hour, put a star. Your 5 minute is just for feng shui. Makes it look nice. 3 minute and 1 minute. The 1 minute is entertaining. It's like a strip club. 3 minute is more responsive, more reliable. It's like your girlfriend, kind of. Maybe your wife, kind of. But you definitely don't want to make decisions with the 1 minute. Okay, super simple. Go to 3 minute. Direction comes from the 6 hour. Alright? And we have some chop now. People are uncertain. The 1 hour gives you an idea. The 1 hour tells me that we dumped all night, last few hours. We expect the overnight dump. But here I see the candle getting smaller. Bigger the candle, bigger the move. Smaller the candle, smaller the move. Are you subscribed? Did YouTube notify you? If not, unsubscribe and subscribe again. Because they have a glitch where you're not allowed to make money, unfortunately. So, but if I talked about bearish wedges and moon-shaped triangles and drooped charts and pictures, it would all be fine. So on this exchange, I would use 50x. Okay? I divide my wallet into 4 quadrants. If you have $1,000, you don't have a lot to trade with. Then you should put more of your money in the trade. That's the honest truth. Otherwise, you're trading dust and make-believe. So, on this exchange, if you only have $1,000 or less, divide your wallet in half, man. You need half to protect yourself, like I showed you. It is $1 away, actually $10 away on Bitcoin. Let's check. 426. It's above. So if that means if it comes crashing down to 426, right before I get liquidated, this will fire off. It will add $1,000 to my trade and cut the leverage. Okay, down with 1x. It'll bring me down to slightly above 50x. Okay, if I did 2,000 here and 1x, it would cut me right down to 50x. You can do that if you want to. I like to do it this way. I like to maintain as much speed as possible. This has instant withdrawals. There's no funding fees. Okay, it's just an old basic exchange that they redid. And so that's why I link it below. I still use it. It's pretty basic and simple. Remember, even if you are up 8%, it's such a small movement. It's not even profitable yet. You always have to cover fees. We look to trade to get about 20 to 30%. Right now, I don't have directional long. I have indecision. This is the third type of candle, the indecisive. So we have the big candles, the smaller candles, the indecisive candles. That's why you don't need any indicators. Now when you set yourself up, okay, this is the ocean. Imagine if I teach you all this for free, what I could show you in my consultation in that 1 hour jam session, even if you knew nothing. You know something? I seen that too. Hold on. Anyway, I thought there was a glitch. Well, my email's below. You can read all this in the comments or pinned to the first comment. Let's get back to what we're doing. So let's take a picture of what's going on with Bitcoin. See, I like screenshots. Last night it was 68,000 going into the overnight witching hour dump. It dropped overnight. People made tons of money shorting. They're all in my group. They had my consultation, and then they become part of that community. Here they get to see my daily trade updates, everything that I'm doing in real time, okay, as I am keeping them updated. But then there's a room. I mean, who cares if I can do it all the time, right? Well, there's a room filled with people, 100 new messages since yesterday, like when I was here. I mean, look at Proverbs. He's been with us for years. Once you're in forever. There's no monthly, nothing, and people don't
Proverbs
leave.
4:7 said,
They love it.
and another high long at 25x equals plus 99.74% collision rocket Taya.
Matt Crypto's been here for years. Let's see, speak.
Matt Crypto said 36% BTC short and the blood tasted nice.
Yeah,
Thanks, Big O.
What's great about the exchanges like Fibit and even Margex now, which is under new owners, and it's linked below, the audible tone. See, I know I don't have to stare at the screen. I could be here, sharing these results with you from people, friends, my community. There's no other way
Vex
to get
said
in here.
BTC short 32%
no
at 100x over the whole number.
Co-Crypto,
Tayo.
one of my admins. My hat's off to you, man. Years.
Co-Crypto said Ether long plus 51%. Thank you, Oracle.
And you know the truth is, don't show your wife or your girlfriend my channel because they will crush you.
Crypto Bimbo said just came home to 220.7%. Thank you, Oracle.
It's amazing. Okay? Look at this. Talk about the women of crypto. They are some of the best that there are.
Coffeetographer said a tech helps you get into the rhythm of the market, no direction, drill down and enter and exit. Then this was a rinse and repeat. Sunday shorts plus 28 Sol plus 15 Sol,
Wow.
plus 12 BTC underscore plus 10 TIA plus 20 JASME short, longs plus 34 ETH, plus 26 ETH plus 16 Uni L plus 20 BTC and 2 Sunday DWAC top of the hill shorts plus 134 BTC short plus 147 ETH short.
We are moving down. This could just be a momentary movement. Remember, the pumps usually don't happen until the stock market opens. Now, we don't let the momentary movements scare us. Okay? It means nothing. Okay? We know we got to be down 75% to be wiped out. All I would lose is my 2,000, but I have a rescue button. ALCM, anti-liquidation countermeasure. This will bring me down to about 60x if it were to fire off. Don't let these movements scare you. That's the 1 minute Stacy. Told you, get off Stacy. Stay here. 3 minute. Take a screenshot. Alright, now, if my ALCM fired off and I was sure that the direction was long and wanted to stay in the fight, although personally I love to short. It's just, we develop a bias. Okay? So, what I would be doing, you can put in a long and a short at the same time here on the same thing. You could also open trades on things like Cardano or Ethereum, whatever, with your USDT. If you only had ETH, you can deposit that. Okay, like me, I hate Cardano. I think it's useless. I would love to short it, but look, we're at the bottom of its 3 minute. I can do that as a hedge to my Bitcoin. There are so many opportunities here. I like to enter and exit at market. Cardano, they only give you 50x. Okay? I would wait until there's some sort of pump before I would short that. It's called the Jack and Jill principle. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jill was really smart and had a skill. She shorted here. Jack was over analytical, staring at Ichimoku clouds and everything, and Jack shorts down here. Jack hits his head on a rock, shorts the bottom, breaks his head. Jill leaves him with all his Bitcoin. She had the private keys. Another thing that you can do here that you can't do on all exchanges, okay, is add to your existing trade. Okay, let's say I wanted to add it. Now I'm on the wrong one. I'm on Cardano. I want to go to Bitcoin. And if I wanted to add here, add 100x. Let's say I just want to add $50. $55. Let's say I want to add $75. This is Dust trading. Do you know what $75 is in BTC? Look, 0.0011. It's really nice, okay, that they switched off the decimal system. So I could just add $75 to my trade like that. It'll slightly change my cut loss. It's 415. I'm at 426. That's still fine. So now I have 2,075 in the trade. Okay, and you could see if that was only a temporary little dip. Okay. So when the stock market opens, many times we get a pump. If you only trade at 50x here, you will clearly see that your fee is 6%. Okay? 12%, this is average for 100x. Remember, you might think, oh my God, I got to get over 12%, or now you'll really freak out over the dollars. But that's average with all exchanges. Why? You're just some douchebag with nobody knows you. You walk up to the exchange and they're going to let you trade with 100 times whatever dust you got in your pockets. They don't know you. You shit credit. Okay? That you didn't even finish college. That you're just a dick. But they'll lend you. Okay? $200,000 or $198,000 on your little piss money. So they charge a fee for that, bro. And you got to clear the fee. You don't got to send it in on your credit card. You just got to wait for it to go green over your fee. And then guess what? They got instant withdrawals. Didn't I tell you the schmucks start to wake up around 8, 9 a.m.? Why do you think I would go long right now? Okay, that's what I teach people. This is so easy. People who tell you to trade at 5x, that's like watching paint dry. And you have to put way more of your own money in the trade to get the same result as you do at 50 or 100x. So, I would never trade on Bitcoin lower than 50x. If you're nervous, do 50x. You could be a nervous Nelly. What do we have in the wallet? 13,800 in USDT. Do you know that that is nothing in BTC? Let's see what that is. I try to make my videos, that's 0.20. My consultation, 0.5. You think, look, I wouldn't want to meet Andrew Tate anyway. But it's almost like, I don't know, who's that other schmuck that promises you to think positive and you'll get rich? Tony Robbins, coming to your house. Except I actually teach you something by Zoom. And then I let you in my group. It's the worst business model ever. Because people stay forever and I have no monthly plan. Okay, I have no way to upsell them once they're in. All I can do is to continue to enjoy their company. We worked, there's Co-Crypto from years ago. 2021, all right? 3 years later, it's 2024. And you see the same names here. And it's repetitive. And it's every day. This is my community. And there are rooms here. And this all comes once you have your consultation. Small price to pay. You get in with me. Trade over my shoulder. There's a start here room. And nothing is complicated. You go into these Discords, and it's complicated. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Below this video, I'm going to leave you a link. Do not come in with Discord Nitro. Do not message my other members. I will never message you. If you stayed 23 minutes, all right, I'll show you. The link will be under my video. Okay? Oh, wrong page that picked up. I'm going to leave you a link right here. Okay? It's going to say secret link. And you can come in as long as you don't have Discord Nitro. Okay? We'll let you join us. It's not the same as paying for a consultation, but maybe you'll want to upgrade. Because all of these people had a consultation. I will never message you. I will never try to sell you anything when you come in. If you want me, you have to message me, either email or go to the Daily Trade Updates, click on a post, and you can message me there. Okay, if you go here, okay, you can message people. See, you'll send a message here. Smurf means you're waiting for your consultation. The only thing that will be locked to you is the consultation war room. That's the after room where all my traders are trading in real time, going nuts, ripping things to shreds, and then there's consultation only videos. The Oracle Link room. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get rid of this. Nah, we'll leave that. All the links, all the exchanges are here. The Drill Down Manifesto. This is where you learn the drill down. This is how you become smarter than everyone else. 3 seconds ahead is all you need. This is where you become literally limitless. Look, step-by-step guide, the drill down manifesto is all yours. That's free if you come in and you're respectful. You don't come in with Discord Nitro because those are the scammers. I know when I open these doors to allow people to come into our sanctuary, scammers will come in. We will be on guard. Let's take a community vote. Alright, I'm going to leave you the link below to join us. Open an account with 5-bit, BitTuneX, try it out, and find the Discord invite link. If you want to, you can book a consultation. I'm telling you, in 1 hour, I can change your life. I'm not going to tell you stuff that you can find on the internet for free. I'm not going to tell you technical analysis. I'm going to teach you gamified trading. How to have a game of war. The Red Army versus the Green Army. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. I get so thrilled every day to wake up. It's so exciting. The future is yours to have and to change. So right now, nothing has changed. I'm still waiting to see if there's an AM pump. And when I look at candle sizes, okay, we could have a big red day. I just need a moment to win. In this moment, we're pulling down. Do you know what the worst mistake people make is? And I'm going to leave you with this. I love BitTuneX. I love 5-bit. Bing X is starting to want KYC now. There's a link below for anyone to apply. And it takes about a couple of weeks, and you get an actual real legit ID card from Palau. It's called digital citizenship. But anyway, so you can KYC for any place. Now, the worst thing you could possibly do is use a stop loss in leverage trading or close a trade when you're down. It's only down 11%, 12%. But you might be like, 247% I'm going to lose. Yeah, if you close now. And then the AM pump comes. So I'm just chill. Always be chill when you trade. This is a full trade lesson. Green button is long. Red button is short. The red button is my favorite. Links below. You have to reduce panic. It goes up and down. That's why we have protective mechanisms. And if this ALCM fired, at 75% down you have to be. Where are we now? Down 11%. But if you're focused on this, you're going to panic. And you're going to hit sell. And congratulations. That's like you just offed yourself. You believe in direction and you set everything properly, leave it alone. You have protection. You can go in the other room, bang a dwarf, no, you can't walk the dog. You don't want to go too far at 100x. Because if you hear this ping, fire off. You will launch another one. You will have a new reduced cut loss. You will repeat the process. You will take half the current trade. And then you will put it at 1x. And you will do $10 away from your new cut loss. Now guess what? When it does turn around, if you were right, not only do you have lower leverage and lower fees because your leverage is lower, your fees actually go down. But what's exciting is that your trade is heavier. So when it does turn around and go your way, boom, you got a kill shot. What I'm really waiting for, that I'm excited about, is I want them to buy this dip on Cardano. And when it's totally green, okay, I want to short it because I know Cardano and its behaviors. So Bitcoin could have a down day today. It all depends on the 1 hour, and it is going down. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Everything is linked below. Have a great day. Oracle out.